Unreal. Whoa, it's like having gold.
Told you you'd be impressed, didn't I?
No, it goes way beyond that. This blows me away. How'd you manage to get a hold of something like this? I just can't believe you got this for the 8.6. That's amazing.
Yeah, me either. Haven't felt this excited in a while.
You can leave it up to me to never fail or cease to switch it up. I'm still smoking plenty blunts. Some say it's too many blunts. Go catch me out here eating lunch. Then after that, go see me hunt. Pull up s14 and...
What's up, everybody? In today's video, we are going to be starting to pull apart a super rare, really low mileage S14. Now here it is. It is a 98 Nissan S14 kouki. It was mistreated. It used to be at a school that I used to go to. They left it outside, and you can see it was donated from Nissan with 2,100 original miles. Now, y'all are probably asking, why are you pulling this apart? Well, this is actually my best friend's car. He bought it from the school, and I'm actually buying the motor from him to put in my car. Now, I don't plan to keep this motor for a super long period of time. I'm just getting it where I can start getting my car running and getting my car set up for what I plan to do here in the near future. So I'm very grateful for him to let me get the motor from him. I don't know exactly what his ultimate plans are with this car, but if he decides to keep it or sell it, I would definitely update you guys. Yo, what's up? So it's been probably about 20-25 minutes, and I'm making some good progress on the car. So far I've got the shifter, the automatic shifter out. As you can see, this is the cable for it. Good thing the school already had the junk disconnected already. And then I came out here, I got the fan out, the radiator, the shroud that the school already screwed up. So the plan is I'm going to leave the power steering in the car, the AC compressor in the car. I don't really care to have it. No real reason for me to hook it up in my car until I put my new swap in it. Really, all I got to do is unhook the AC lines, because those are going to stay, and unhook the harness from inside the car. So on S14s, there's a 10 mil up there, but here's the ECU. All I gotta do is unscrew the ECU, disconnect the ground, pop a couple of the clips up there, and then once the ECU's out, I can pretty much just pull the engine with the harness attached. So that's less work I have to do on my car. Trying to think, is there anything else I'm gonna need? Overall, you know, for how bad the school treated it, it's not a bad car. And as you can see, a lot of the stuff still has the what you want to call that, the plated from factory. You can still see. But yeah, it's fairly easy for a car that has been sitting outside since 2006 at the school, when the school was built. You know, the car's not bad. And it's a real true SE kouki. It's got the sunroof. It's got the 5-lug. But I don't know what his plans are with this car yet. Kouki tails. But yeah, I don't know what his plans are with this car. I'm trying to convince him to go ahead and put it on Bring a Trailer, because I think well, I know that if he decides to sell this car, he can make some pretty good money off of it. And he didn't pay really a lot for this car. So I feel like he should put the time, clean up the car. Let's fully detail it, buff it. Well, not the paint, but like clean the engine bay and then slap some paint on it. And then, of course, you know, kids at schools decide to break $1,000 headlights. Good thing he still has the passenger. But yeah, I'm probably not gonna do too much more.